Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the featured image size in WordPress. So firstly, you have to log into your WordPress account. So to do that, you have to go to a website and search for wordpress.com. After you have logged into your WordPress account, this is the interface you're going to see as it is my home page. And here on the left hand side, you can see the post option. Click on the post option and it will show you all of your posts and just select the post you want to edit. Here I want to edit the daily economics one, so I'm just going to click on edit and it will take me to the editing page of that post. After that, as you can see here on the right hand side, it shows the featured image over here. Just click on the featured image and click on media library. It will show all of the available photos you have over here. I'm just gonna select the photo, and here you can see that that photo is showing as an attachment. And here you can see an option called edit image. Click on edit image, and here you can see you can crop your photo, like resize it, scale it. uh, you can also rotate your photo and edit in multiple ways. After you are done with actually editing your photo over here, as you can see I'm doing, you can just click on save. After that, you can just click on save and go back over here, as you can see, and click on the save option over here, and your featured image will be saved. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.